Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how I assembled and how I installed this mounting arm for my video projector. So let's open the box. So this is everything you get in the box. You have the main arm, the sliding arm, the arm head, and the arm plate, and then you have the projector mount and some screws, some Allen wrenches, and also an extra mount for the projector in case you have a bigger projector. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna install this mount on the wall. So this is how you install it on the wall. First, you take this one. So this is the main part, and then this is the part that goes in it, the sliding part. So the sliding part has this screw here. You need to unscrew it using this Allen wrench. So I just did this, and then you need to slide it here in like this. And make sure, of course, to put it from the end that is open and not the end that is closed here. And then pull this up and then slide it in like this. And now this is the base that goes on the wall. So it is symmetrical. So however you put it, it will work. So this one should go here. So you need to slide the arm in the base like this. It goes like this. And then you need to assemble it. And to assemble it, you need the biggest screws. So these are the M610 screws. So you have 4 of these. And you also need the 4 medium washers. So you put a washer here, and then you put the screw. Don't tighten it now, just put it in place. And do this for the 4 holes. So now let's tighten them. Don't over tighten them, just tighten them enough so that they don't turn anymore. So the next thing is to install this head here on the arm, and notice that the head has a side here that is a little bit longer than the one that is here, and the side that is a little bit longer should go inside like this. And now we need to put the screws here. So the screws are 4 of these 6 screws here, and these screws are the M5 screws, and you need to get 4 washers. These are the D5 washers, and now you need to put it here. Of course, also do not tighten them until the end. So let me turn it and put them on the other side too. So now you can tighten them using the smaller Allen wrench, and do not over tighten them. As soon as the screw stops turning, just stop tightening. The next step in our assembly is to install this X holder here on the bottom of the projector. So I am using the YMUS P64 projector. So you need to put it upside down with the lens facing like this. And then see these hooks here on this X bar. The hooks should be parallel to the lens. And this is because for the arm, the hooks go into the arm like this here. So this is why they should be parallel so that it will be straight. Now the screws that hold the projector vary for projector types. So for me here, I have this YMUS, and it uses M4 screws. So these are provided with the arm. So you have many screws provided with the arm. Choose the ones that are for your projector. And you need 4 washers also with them. And usually on the projector, you have rubber feet covering the holes. So you need to remove them. Don't discard them because you might need them in the future. Use a plastic prying tool to remove them. So these are removed like this easily. That is adhesive on the YMUS P64. And now let's put this to install it like this. You need to adjust it. You need to release these screws here. So unscrew them so that to adjust it. And then you can screw everything. So let's put the first screw here. And here you need a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver. As I always say, do not tighten the screws until you install everything, and then you tighten everything. So now I installed the 4 screws. And before installing the projector on the wall, any cable that you have, put it in this arm here, because this is also a cable management device. So you see here, I put the power cable. I'm gonna also put the HDMI cable in it, and then also I'm gonna put an audio cable. So now I'll be installing the projector's arm here, and I'm gonna put it as much higher as I can so that the projector's noise don't bother me. And it has, of course, like a 15 angle adjustment, so I can adjust it. And I need a stud finder to do this. So let's find the stud. There'll be a stud here, I think. So this is where the stud begins. So I'm gonna put the first screw here, and the second one should be like this here. So now it is leveled like this. So now it's time to install the projector, and it has these hooks here. So you need to put the projector in the hooks first, like this. And now it's better to connect the cable before adjusting the projector. So let me connect the cables. So now the cables are connected, and now we need to adjust the level of the projector. I'm gonna first put the screws, and then I'm gonna adjust it while turning it on so that I can see the projected image. So these are the screws, and you notice we have a plastic washer and also a metal washer. So put the plastic washer after the metal washer. So the plastic washer should be on the metal here. So let me put the first screw by hand. Careful, do not pull on the projector because of the arm so that you don't yank the arm. So let's remove the lens cap and let's turn on the projector to adjust it. So wait for the projector to auto-tune in case you have an auto-tune projector. And this is how I want it. I'm gonna start by tightening the screw here, and I'm gonna tighten the other screw. So tighten the screws good, because remember we have the plastic washer, so it's easy to adjust the projector after you tighten the screws also, in case you need to do micro adjustments. By the way, if you want to check out this mounting arm, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.